Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt, your go-to guy for auto accessory news. Today we're at Blue Star Truck Accessories in Prosper, Texas. We've got Eric from Real Truck here. Eric, what we got going on today?
We're going to show you guys how to install this all-new BAK MX4 TS on this Ford Super Duty.
Let's get to work!
This installation is simple and most steps can be done by hand. All that's really needed is a ratchet with a half-inch socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and something to cut with like scissors or a knife. We recommend at least 2 people for this install, at least when you place the bed cover onto the rails. The first thing you need to do is insert the drain tubes into the ends of each rail. Next, we need to attach the clamps to the rails. These clamps are going to secure the rails to the bed of your truck. Insert the longer side of the clamp into the slot on the bottom of the rail and press down until it locks in. Add 4 of these clamps to each rail and make sure they're evenly spaced. Set the rails on the side walls of your truck bed and make sure the rails lay evenly so it clamps securely to the bed. With the outward facing part of the clamp set vertically, tighten the screws by hand until it sets firmly against the inside lip of the bed wall. Then use the socket wrench to continue tightening the clamp. Do this for all 4 clamps placed evenly on the rails. Next, we need to place the seal along the top of the back wall of the truck bed. Keep the seal flush with the edge and avoid stretching the seal as you place it. Make sure to cut off any extra material once the seal has been placed. From here we can place the drain tubes into the drain holes built into the truck bed. Now it's time to prep the bed cover to be placed on the rails. Remove the rest of the packing material that's left between the folds of the bed cover, then attach the clip retainers on the back end of the cover using screws provided and a Phillips head screwdriver. This is used to secure the bed when it's folded in the 3/4 position. We also need to attach the cover retaining clamps, which goes onto the small rails on the inside facing part of the bed cover. Loosen the clamps, slide the bolts into the rails, and tighten it just enough to keep it in place. With 2 people, keep the bed cover folded and place it flush to the rails towards the cab of the truck bed. Go underneath the bed cover and fasten the cover retaining clips to the rails that we installed earlier. Before we unfold the cover, first place the rubber bumper on the bottom end of the folded cover. Make sure these are evenly spaced and flush with the bottom edge. These are used to allow you to lean the cover up against the back window of the cab without damaging the truck. For the final step, unfold the bed cover and make sure it lines up with your truck bed and allows your tailgate to close.
And there you have it, guys. That's how you install the all-new BAK MX4 TS by Real Truck on a Ford F-250. Hey, Eric, we want to thank you for letting us join you today during this install.
Yeah, we're happy to have you.
And thanks to Blue Star Truck Accessories out in Prosper, Texas for letting us use their install bay. Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to tune in next week for more truck related products like this. See y'all next week.